Wow, it's a great pleasure coming your way today. Right in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start rocking AcadaWeb, the Nigeria's best online learning marketplace, as an instructor. There you can sell your courses and start making money on the go. The first thing you do is to open your browser on your laptop. Certainly, an internet connection is required because it's a website. Then you have the URL here, acadaweb.com. You just load it on the browser, you load it. It's a very good network. In less than a few minutes, the page is going to come up. You see how swift it is because my own network is very good. So you can take a few minutes to surf through the website. Basically, it's a website where people can come and order courses. They can learn online and they can also get the products delivered to their home for them to play through the laptop without the need for an internet connection. And it also avails people who have vast knowledge to monetize their knowledge or their skills by packaging it as an info product that teaches how to, either as an ebook or a video guide. So you click on become an instructor. I'm going to click on it, become an instructor, and it's going to bring you the instructor form for you to fill so you can have an account on the website. I'm going to quickly fill the form. While filling the form, kindly pay attention to the fields that has asterisks. That means these fields are very mandatory and they have to be filled before you can successfully sign up as an instructor on the web portal. Okay, I'm going to fix in fill is there. Is Beavis. That's my name. Then the email, I'm going to use this. Phone number, okay. We quickly just find a phone number. Qualifications, that's what are the standards that qualifies you to teach this course or to sell the information on the website. Okay, let me quickly say, okay. For instance, I want to upload courses on website development. So I'm a PHP expert, mobile marketing expert, and I'm also a website developer. And it's very important to put uh, a premium qualification so that students or users of the website will be encouraged to buy your product since they perceive your professionalism or your competency through the qualifications you listed on your profile. About you can write a little thing about yourself, but it's not carrying an asterisk mark. That simply means it's not important. Okay, you can also put your Facebook link, your Twitter link, and you can also put your image. But since they're not kind of style, that simply means they are not mandatory. When uploading your image, please pay attention to the dimension. It accepts images of any file format. It could be PNG, it could be JPEG, it could be GIF, but always work with this dimension in mind. 300 pixel by 250 pixel. Okay, my username, I'm going to quickly coin a username there. See Felix 001. I'm going to put my password. Mind you, your password is meant to be confidential, so I'm not going to call that out. This video is to teach you how you can. Then you click on register when you're done filling the form. After you click on register, you see the report here, all the results. It states, "Thank you for registering. We will activate your account as soon as we review your information." This is telling you that you've successfully signed up on the website, but the admin is going to go through your profile to ensure you're not violating the terms and conditions of the web portal before they accept your sign up. The admin of AcadaWeb is always online 247. We've got a wonderful support team. So as soon as you register, once you get your request, it's activated almost immediately. As I told you, almost immediately when your sign up form is received, The admin of the portal, they are going to accept your account and you become eligible to start creating courses to sell on the go on AcadaWeb. So as an instructor, you come over here and use the login. The instructor share the same login with the student, but they have different user interface. So I'm going to put my username. Of course, I should remember it. I use Felix01 while signing up. Then my password I said has to be confidential. So after typing the accurate username and password, I come down and I click on the sign in button. It takes me to the dashboard of AcadaWeb instructors page. This is where you manage your courses, this is where you create courses, and this is where you manage your accounting with the AcadaWeb portal. The first menu is the user menu, where you have the dashboard. This is the dashboard we are currently. You can also see it from your from the URL that's showing you the part you are. The next one is the bank. The next one is withdraw funds. The next one is withdraw history. The next one is profile. The next one is purchase history. The next one is support ticket, change password and logout. I'm going to walk you through the entire system in the next few minutes. So when you log in for the first time, the system requires you to update your profile before you can start creating courses to sell on the website. So you're going to click on this link, click on it so you can update your profile. Okay, you can write about yourself. So after you write a little about yourself, you come to your profile image field so you can update your profile with a picture about you. Trust me, when a prospective student sees the face of their instructor, it gives them more motivation and more reasons to buy your course. Because when they see your image, they tend to feel they've connected with you and you formally introduce yourself to them. So it's always important to update your profile image with a true image of yourself. I'm going to click on choose file so I can quickly get any image to use for this purpose. Image. So I'm going to click on choose file. I'm going to bring up a dialog box for me to locate where I have the image in my computer. After picking up the image I want to use as my profile image, I'm going to click on save. Save is now going to affect every changes I've done right on this page. The AcadaWeb team strive to ensure that the entire system is very, very simple and user friendly. It does not require anything much. As we proceed in this video, you're going to discover it all for yourself. I'm going to use one of this image to illustrate it. So I'm going to use this. You click on the image, then you click on open, meaning you want to load that image on the AcadaWeb portal. Then you click on save. When you click on save, that image will be uploaded into the server of AcadaWeb, and that becomes your profile image. And I said it's very important to update your profile information because it enables your prospective students to connect with you and to gain confidence in you. So this is the dashboard of a typical instructor's profile right on acadaweb.com. After updating your profile, the next thing you do is to come over to user menu. You click on bank. This link is very important because that is where you update your account with your valid bank details, where every sale or every profit that emanates from the sale of a course which you place on AcadaWeb is being paid into. So we advise all instructors of AcadaWeb to update their account with a valid and active bank information because that is where payment will be made into from the AcadaWeb team to your account as an instructor when your course or courses are being sold. So the bank name, I'm going to put GT Bank for instance. The next field is account name. What is the name of the account? What's the account number? I said you have to put a valid account because anything you put here, that is what the admin sees in the admin end for them to make payments to you. I'm going to click on save when I'm done. So after selling your courses on AcadaWeb, at any point in time as an instructor, you reserve the right to withdraw your funds because the essence of coming to the platform is to earn from your expertise. Anytime you want to withdraw money from your account, you can decide to withdraw everything at the same time. You can decide to withdraw part of your money in your account. To do that, click on withdraw funds. I'm going to click on it. First field you see is to state. Firstly, you can see that your balance is 0 naira, meaning you've got no currency, you've got no money in your virtual account on AcadaWeb. But let us assume you have money. The next thing to do is to type the amount here which you want to withdraw. After typing it, you click on process and you submit the request to us. When the admin of acadaweb.com sees your withdrawal request, they're going to process it and the transfer is made directly into your account. All the accounting records are all very transparent and legitimate. So you have nothing to worry about. The time you spend on uploading courses on acadaweb.com is worth your time and efforts. The next one is profile. We've updated our profile. And the next one is purchase history. Now, at any point in time, if you want to know how many the number of people that have bought your products, which of your product is selling the most, where you go to is profile, sorry, purchase history, where you can see the payments that have been made for purchase of your course. Then support ticket. Assuming as an instructor you are having difficulties using the platform, at any point in time you just have to come here and create a ticket. When you create a ticket, for instance, you're having difficulties withdrawing your fund, the subject of the ticket has to be withdrawal of fund. Then you write exactly the problem you're facing. After doing that, you click on OK. When you click on OK, it is submitted to the admin of AcadaWeb. They are going to get your ticket and resolve it for you. Next one is to change your password. As an instructor, you don't want anybody to abuse your account. It's always important and advisable to change your password anytime you observe any unworthy attempts to your account. When you're done, you can use the button to log out. So right now, the next important link is create course. I'm going to show you how you can create a course right in this video. Please pay maximum attention, and I'm also going to show you how to use the image upload. The essence of this image upload is for you to be able to upload images into the sales page of the course you are creating. For most people, they so much have this thing for image, and if image is not yet in their sales page, they are not comfortable. So that's why we integrated the image upload link. To use it, just click on it. That's what you have here. You use it on the choose file. Choose file takes you to your local computer directory for you to select the image you want to upload into the server of AcadaWeb. I'm going to apply it as we make progress in this course. So I'm going to create a course. As an instructor, after registering, if you don't create a course to sell your ebook, to sell your short reports, to sell your video tutorial, then for crying out loud, it makes no sense. What was the title course you want to create? Let me quickly show you what title is all about. Let me log into the front end of this website so you can see other courses, how they look, and you can understand what it means. Title. These are courses already on AcadaWeb portal, uploaded by different instructors. So I really want you to see what the title of a course looks like. All these links here beneath the course image is what the title of the course is about. Come down to popular courses. So these are titles of the products already on AcadaWeb. The title helps a prospective student to know what your course is all about. So I'm going to click on title. Let's assume I want to sell a product on how to um, venture into the recharge card business and how to make money from it. I'll call the course title. The title of this course is How to Start Recharge Card Business Without an Office with a Penny. So when someone goes to AcadaWeb, if the title is catchy enough, person is going to click on it, learn about the products, and most likely, if your sales page is well written, make a purchase of that course. So it is best advised to let the title of your course tell your prospective students on the go what the course is all about. You should strive to capture their interest within the first few seconds of them setting an eye on your product. So this is where you type the sales page, where your prospective student is going to learn about your product. Here is a typical view of a sales page. I'm going to click on this. I click on the title, it takes me to the course sales page. So you can see on the left hand side of the page, almost occupying the entire page anyway. This is the sales page that talks about the car tracking and CCTV business and what it entails. So while creating your course as an instructor, you can see it's your sales page. The second section is where you have to type your content. You can just type anything. Sorry, let me just get a typical headline. Okay, I'm going to highlight it. Control A. I'm going to click on format. Format gives you the various font attributes on AcadaWeb. This one now means I want this font to be of that size with a font color of red. This A is the text color. I want to change it to black. Just take your cursor to all the links and it brings a guide on what it is about. I want it to be centralized. I'm going to click on the align center. You can see how it is looking. Then just add your content. When you're done adding your content, it is always advisable to use images that are low in sizes so that it doesn't affect the speed at which the page loads. Come over to category. The product you're adding, what category does it fall into? If, for instance, you want to add a product on how to advertise on Facebook, that category falls into advertising. If you want to add a video course on AutoCAD, it falls into architectural design. If you want to add a course on how to design an e-store like Jumia, Konga, and the rest, it falls into e-commerce. So you should be very sensitive while selecting the category your product falls into. Because when students goes to the AcadaWeb.com platform, when they are using a quick search to search by category, if your product is in the wrong category, then your prospective clients can't find you on the platform. That's just an advice. Then you also state the course. While stating the course, the platform does not allow you to use comma. If the course is 10,000, you just write it like that without imputing comma on the figures. If it is 7,500, just write it without comma. Then if the course is free, it is also advisable as an instructor, you can upload some free courses to get people to register that confidence with your person as an expert, after which when they come across your courses, they don't have to think wise, they just place their order on it. So select material type. Is the product you are selling, is it an ebook or it's a video course? Whatever it is, just use your cursor to select it. I'm taking video in this, I'm choosing the video type of product in this video guide. Then the format, what format do you intend to deliver the product, the course rather, to your students? Is it via soft copy? That is, it's in a download link. Is it an hard copy? That is, when they make a purchase, the Acada team have, have to deliver the product to a specified address made by the student, so the student can pick the physical DVD slot into a DVD player or a laptop to watch as you teach him or her. Or you have this product in both versions. If you have both the soft copy and hard copy, then you choose both. Depending on the one you have is what you choose as the course format. It's very important because when students are making order from the front end, they get to see all this information. Then if you're selling an ebook, please, the ebook cover that also reflects what the content of the book is all about should be uploaded here. Then the system have a preview video a video link, if the sorry, is it a video tutorial, then you put the link where you have that videos on the internet, so that when a student make purchase of this particular course, the download link is sent to the student automatically. If it's a video course, then what is the course image? Please follow the instruction here. The dimension is important and the image must be a JPEG format. Then YouTube embed link. Every video course, most of the video course on the platform, let's go to courses, they have a preview video that shows them what the course is about. Let's use a typical example of this web consulting course operated by one of the veterans in the internet marketing industry. Videos tells a million words. So you can see a preview video here that speaks on behalf of the instructor. If you have such video, you simply put the YouTube link here in this format. And when that is done, you click on submit for review. After submitting your course, as I said earlier, the support team of AcadaWeb are always online. They get to go through your course information. If it fits into the standards or requirement, the course will be approved and an email will be sent to you as a notification about the acceptance of your course on AcadaWeb. Then at every point in time you want to play through the courses you've got, you simply have to click on my courses. When you click on my courses, you scroll down, you get to see the number of courses you've loaded on the platform as an instructor. So the essence of this is that, for instance, if after uploading a course you have an update, you log into the platform as an instructor, you click on my courses, click on the title of the particular course, and you click on edit. Edit gives you the ability to change every information you filled while submitting that course for approval. Here we are in the text area. You can always edit it, make your grammatical corrections and all that. You can also keep modifying your title till you get a very attractive and persuasive course title. Let me show you how the image upload works now. If, for instance, I want to upload an image into this my sales page, I'll click on image upload. It's loading. I'm going to click on choose file. The choose file takes me now, brings a dialog box where I can locate the directory. I have the images on my computer. So let me click on this image, for instance. I'm going to click on upload. Upload now means I want that image to be uploaded or to be stored in the server of AcadaWeb. What can you see? Image uploaded successfully. So the next thing I do, I'll scroll down, I'll locate the image. Is it not the image? Of course it is. The next thing, I'm going to pick this link. This is the link of the image right on the AcadaWeb platform. I'll come back to my editor where I'm creating my course. At any position I want to put that image, I'll simply go there. Remember, I'm up scrolling my mouse. What I'm seeing on the screen is called the cursor. So I'll come over to insert. Under insert, to click on insert image. I can insert video, I can insert image. I'll click on insert image. It gives me an option to put the image link. Where you have source, I'm going to put that link I copied from the image upload section. And I'm going to click on OK. Can you see that image already showing? That's how the editor works. If I want to centralize the image, I'll just click on it. It creates this peak. I'm going to click on align center. When I'm done with adjusting my sales page, I click on submit for review. I believe the video is making sense to you. So that is how the instructor account works on AcadaWeb. You don't have any choice to contact us via the support page, via the live chat, or via the forums, in the case you run into any difficulty that was not resolved right in this video guide. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for signing up on AcadaWeb. We believe in you and together we'll make a success story.